Today we will be covering the excellent Node module strong loop for building a simple API server very quickly. You can go there, get started on their page and see the instructions to get started to install it globally. Now you're going to need to have Node installed, but once you do, I'm on my desktop here, you can use their simple command to start building an application. So let's start with the first command, slc loopback. This is going to generate all of our project or application files. It's very handy. So let's see, I'm going to call mine game app. That's correct. Clear that screen up so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to get into the folder that was just generated on my desktop. Now I can install all the Node modules, the dependencies from the package.json. If all this seems foreign, don't worry, it's pretty simple. Once this is done, I'm going to make a game data model so that we have a map to create data. Let's see here. Okay. We're going to call it game. Yes, game. We're going to put it in the temporary memory right now. We want to expose it, yes. Just hit enter to default to yes. Let's give it two properties, a name, string, yes. Let's give it also a rating, and that's going to be a number, yes. Hit enter to get out of that property creation, and we can simply run with slc run. That's going to run on our localhost port 3000 / explorer. And we have our games and all the endpoints to either create a record, to get your records, to update. So let's see how it works real quickly. We can add a game in there, Mortal Kombat. Let's give it a rating of 8. And that's going to send the post request to this endpoint right here. We can see what was sent. We can see it was successful. Now let's go ahead and request that information. And it's pulling it out of this endpoint. And right now it's just being stored within strong loop. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how to store it in a MySQL database. And that's where the fun begins.